Greetings, it's August 6, 2021. This is a proof of my 1975 linocut print, linoleum block print, which was my very first Judaic artwork. I did it in Carbondale, Illinois, titled Rabbi Hillel, Thou Shalt Love Thy Neighbor as Thyself. This one is going as a gift to a couple who lived near me. I first met their dad. I was working at the main library, Central Library, downtown Seattle in the early 1980s. I went out to dinner with them once, years ago, there. In 2013, Jennifer and her hubby and their two kids visited the exhibit of Under the Wings and Sightseeing with Dignity Art at Seattle Central College. There's a video footage up with them talking about artwork which they collectively decided was their favorite in the show. I'll attach the URL of that. This print has the addition of a hand-colored, drawn PS with apparition of the, quote, the rare but well-cooked Lake Washington gefilte. Comes with its own horseradish. Let's see if you have the last time I had a Seder in my apartment here was in, I guess it was 2012, and they all attended it. All right, there you have it. Good singing, Budgie. Yes, very good. Thank you very much. They're budgies are fans of my art, particularly the unusual one. So we have the rare Lake Washington gefilte. All right, tally ho.